Hi guys, hope you're all well. It's Friday for us, so wherever you are in the world, happy Friday. We have been, this morning, myself and Jack, we have been working on this 2025 Citroen Relay behind us. It started its life as a normal panel van, and this chap is in the process of doing a custom build. First windows in, awning is up, pop tops fitted. He's got another window at the back, but actually inside the van is pretty much steel, basic, has been sound deadened and thermally lined or insulated, and then you've got the pop top in the top there with all your cable run starting to be fed through. What we have done on this install, if you join me around the side, around the back rather, we have taken off the high level brake light and we have replaced it with the newer but aftermarket brake light camera. It's an LED brake light, so we tap into the existing brake light supply, fit the new camera which is on a gimbal so we can adjust the up and down and the left and right. It's also got night visions LEDs built in for low light levels, and yeah, it looks super smart. Because some of them out there, some of the aftermarket ones look a little bit bulbous and unsightly. On a brand new van like this, we're trying to keep it as neat and stealthy looking as much as we can. Right, join me inside. I'm going to talk about the head unit that we fitted, and also, more importantly, our super duper new Advanced In-Car, which is our sister company if you don't know already. Advanced In-Car, massive YouTube channel, wow, a lot bigger than Motorhome Retrofits, and this is the new wireless to wired to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto dongle, which we're going to show you in action in a minute on this head unit. So 2025 Citroen Relay now has this I&E F904 DC, that's the Alpine dedicated navigation system. We have taken out the standard and very basic 5-inch Uconnect system that's got DAB and nothing else. It's very, very basic. This is the 9-inch Halo, which is a tablet style. This is a Ducato 8 dashboard. We've integrated it in for the steering wheel control on here as well to give you volume and answer and end and other bits and pieces. If I put the key in the ignition, we have put our own custom logo on there. Yes, those of you that are eagle-eyed will notice the word Fiat. Well, they're all based on the Fiat Ducato, but we don't really see that many Citroen Relays through the door, but it is our own bespoke one, which is better than the standard Alpine one. So the system is then going to boot up. Let's just turn the volume down, keep everybody happy. So that's the navigation booting up, like so. And then on this particular model, we've done loads of videos for this, but you've got wired Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, you've got FM, you've got DAB, you've got USB in the glove box, but most importantly, you've got dedicated motorhome navigation that allows you to enter your vehicle dimensions, 3 years free map updates, all on a nice, neat, compact screen as well, which is really nice. We have fitted the microphone, the GPS, all of the dedicated Alpine wiring behind the scenes, and also we have fitted a camera. So there's the reversing camera up on the screen like so, and if you don't want to put the vehicle into reverse, you've actually got a dedicated camera button here, and that dedicated camera button just means that whilst you're driving you can then see what's going on behind you, especially if you're towing, because there's a tow hitch on here as well. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to show you how our new wired to wireless Apple CarPlay dongle works and how it can benefit you in your vehicle. Whether you've got an aftermarket system like this or whether you've got a factory fitted system, if you've got a wired Apple CarPlay or wired Android Auto, this little device is then going to change your life and make it a lot more compact, seamless for you to jump in and out and it be connected nice and simply. So in the box you get the little dongle itself. You also get a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So let me get rid of the instructions. So if you are driving a newer vehicle that only has USB-C, then you can put this adapter in here like so, right way James, and that will then plug into the USB-C. If you haven't got USB-C, then great. This is just a handy little adapter that can go in a drawer. I know I use these at work and at home and they're handy, so that's great. This is our new little adapter here. Let's just get rid of the plastic thingy on here, plastic film. Now look how nice and neat that looks. So really, really compact. Just to put it into perspective, obviously I am holding it, but that's it in the palm of my hand. And what we're going to do now is I'm just going to jump over to the passenger side and I'm going to plug that into the supplied USB lead. So we've just changed positions for the camera and the lighting because we are in the workshop, and here is the single USB lead that we supply and fit always in this top glove box. So let's go back to the Alpine and just go to the main radio screen here, and all we're going to do is we're going to plug this in like so, and look how nice and neat that is. Let's give you a better look at that. So there we go, got our own little logo on there like so. Job done. Now this at the moment is ready to connect, so you could just leave that in your glove box, shut the glove box like so. Up on the screen we've got the Apple CarPlay logo and we're going to press it, and then it says please connect to your smart box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my phone on here, and in Bluetooth right at the bottom is going to be the option for the smart box, not the I&E. So there's the smart box like so. We're going to pair, yes please, and then we're going to allow, and then we're going to connect. Now natively this I&E F904 DC does not have wireless Apple CarPlay. Only the new digital media systems have wireless Apple CarPlay. Here's my phone, there's Apple CarPlay, all on the system, connected in seconds, and you can do the same for Android Auto, which is also really, really handy. And now this means that this customer can put his phone in his pocket, in his driver's side, on a mount over there. It doesn't need to be connected to the system when he wants to use a wireless Apple CarPlay. Now what we're going to do next is we're just going to take the key out of the ignition. I'm going to have to swap sides again. Take the key out of the ignition and then show you the booting up side of it, because a lot of these on the market take ages to boot up, and that's why it gets people frustrated. So bear with me 1 second, we're just going to swap seats again. Okay, so the key is now out of the vehicle, and rather than waste precious video time, I thought it's easier to take the key out so that you can see us putting the key in and how long the system is going to take to boot up. So let's just have a quick check of our dongle here. The light is now gone off. There's no light on our dongle whatsoever. So that means that that's properly off and this is properly off. So I'm now going to put the key in the ignition. Okay, so the Alpine's just booted up. I've left my phone here to see that so that you can see I'm not touching it. And then obviously the whole time as you're getting into your vehicle, you're then putting your seatbelt on, you're starting your engine, and then the whole point is for you to be able to get in and connect and drive away. That's taken, let's say, 20 seconds. I haven't done anything. I haven't had to reconnect, repair, haven't had to find the device. It's literally gone in and connected. So I can go into here play my music, listen to Spotify, and go to Google Maps. There's no lag. It's exactly the same as it was when it was wired. So if you want this product, it's now on our website. What we will be doing is we're going to give anybody that watches one of our videos a promotional code. And that promotional code is going to be AIC Wireless 10. Okay, so AIC Wireless and then 10. So AIC Wireless 10. If you type that into the checkout on the website when you purchase one of these, this will give you a select amount of money off that. We haven't decided yet at how much it's going to be, but the typical website price is £69. So we hope that to be at least £10, but we'll have to see because we do use Royal Mail for tracked shipping and that's not cheap. So if you want one of these devices that we've just shown you about, you enter the code AIC Wireless 10. So that's AIC Wireless 10, and you can get one of these at £10 or more off the standard price of £69, only through watching our YouTube channel. And also that will be the same on our sister channel, Advanced in Car. Everything that we've done in this video is on our website. We've done loads of the Iron F904, so this customer's going to be chuffed to bits. Website links in the bio, and as usual guys, thank you very much for watching.